Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a short plant video, but I'm sure you're going to like it. So this is my cedar, major or minor, I don't know. Actually there are 3 different plants in this container. See, those are the sedum, this too is the sedum, and in the middle I have dung scab. And look at my hawathias, all looking happy. See how nice it is looking, and I'm sure in a year's time the pot is going to be full of little pups. This is something interesting. These are all the babies or the pups that I have separated. Actually I didn't separate, they gradually got separated from the mother plant, and I removed it gently and here they are placed in one single pot. I have 4 of them here. I know very soon I have to shift them, but as for now they are together. Now look at this ruby's necklace. Does it look like ruby's necklace? Look at the huge, I don't know what it should be called. It looks like chilies. Now this is again the 2 of them. So in total I have 6 of them, 4 out there and here 2. I have loved this plant, the mother plant. The mother plant is still there, and right now it is not potted. I'll be potting it soon. Now that's the sedum growing happily. Here is my panda's paw, an interesting plant, the LiQWYD. Very interesting. It's very furry when we touch it. This is another beautiful plant. I love the green. This is the reason why I am doing this short video. Look at my bougainvilleas. This is the hybrid one, which I had bought last year from the flower show. And after I had bought it home, once it had bloomed, but that time it had reverted back to the ordinary flowers, and this time it is making me really happy and proud. Such a beautiful bloom. Look at it. Beautiful plant. Here too I have little buds. Oh, these are all the bonus. I just loved the bloom. And this is the plant, and that is the tiny pot in which it is growing. Look at the vibrant colors. And it's not just pink, it has that tinge of yellow mixed with that pink. A beautiful plant, beautiful altogether. This is another beauty. Look at her changing the color. If you all have watched my previous plant videos, you will see that it was green, and after that it has started to change colors. Here the color has become more intense. I just love the color change. This is the reason I love succulents, although they are so very difficult to handle, but I love them. And look at this beauty, a cute little one. See, it already has 4 heads, or maybe 5 hidden underneath. It's a beautiful color, beautiful green. I think this is sea green. I love all the different color greens the succulents have. A beautiful shade of green. Look at the tips turning slightly pinkish. This is another beauty, a beautiful color. See how nice it is looking. A peach colored plant, but when we touch it, it is quite coarse. Now this is my chrysanthemum. Again, I am showing it to you because the size of the buds have increased considerably. See, everywhere buds are there. This is another plant. Here too numerous buds are there, but I think this is the pom-pom variety. I don't know whether it's white or the purplish one, but it has numerous buds. Now the Aglaonema lover, friends, look at her, how pretty she is. Beautiful plant. And very soon I'm going to have two of them because I am going to separate the plant. Wow, look at this beauty. Such an elegant looking plant, beautifully colored. Look at that, how wonderful. So my dear friends, this is all I have for today. If you have liked it, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new, do consider subscribing and stay tuned. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today.